Hello! Welcome to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn to speak English step by step. This is real-life English you can start using today. Have you ever needed help but didn't know what to say in English? Today we'll learn a simple and polite way to ask for help. This is an important skill for daily life, at school, at work, in stores, when traveling. Okay, let's begin.
Yes, welcome back for another ESL lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally. This is a short lesson, so it's easy for you to watch and practice speaking a few times each day. Sometimes you may need a little help during your day. Maybe you don't understand something or what's going on. You can't find something or feel a little lost. You need more information or some information repeated. You need to ask a simple question. By the end of today's lesson, you will know how to ask for help politely, know how to use easy English phrases, listen to simple conversation examples, understand common mistakes to avoid.
Each Kokolo class is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark. After we speak, a practice box signals it's time for you to practice speaking. Remember, it's okay if you make a mistake while practicing. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep on trying.
These are some common asking for help phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, would you be able to help me? Excuse me, I need some help. Excuse me, can you show me? Excuse me, I don't understand. It's very important to start each phrase with a polite excuse me. These simple phrases are useful everywhere. Now it's your turn to practice speaking. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, would you be able to help me? Excuse me, I need some help. Excuse me, can you show me? Excuse me, I don't understand.
These are some common questions when asking for information. Excuse me, can you tell me? Excuse me, can you show me? Excuse me, where's the? Excuse me, how do I? Excuse me, I don't understand. After someone helps you, it's also polite to say thank you for your help. Now it's your turn to practice speaking. Excuse me, can you tell me? Excuse me, can you show me? Excuse me, where is the? Excuse me, how do I? Excuse me, I don't understand. This is a conversation example of Paris asking for help and Mark answering. Notice the polite start by saying excuse me and ending with a thank you. This makes the conversation friendly.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, how can I help?
Where is the train station?
It's down this same street about 2 more blocks.
Thank you.
Here is another example.
Excuse me, could you help me? I don't understand this email.
Sure, let me see the message.
Am I in the right place?
Yes, you're in the right place and the meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Thank you for your help. Common mistakes. These are some common mistakes to avoid when asking for help. Mistake 1, saying, only help me. This sounds like an emergency. Instead, it's better to say, excuse me, can you help me? Mistake 2, missing grammar words. For example, only saying where station? It's better to say, excuse me, where is the station? Mistake 3, saying you help me. To some people, this can sound rude. It's better to say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Being polite when asking for help is important.
Lesson summary. In today's lesson, you learned some common phrases when asking for help. You learned the importance of using a polite "excuse me" and "thank you." You were given some asking for help example conversations. Best of all, you can start practicing to use these useful new phrases today.
Well, that's all for this class. Remember to practice this asking for help lesson often. If this class was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more English lessons. Please share these lessons with family and friends. Until our next class together, bye for now.